Svia number 269, kova. Pickled sour cream roast. A main dish from Czech Republic. 12 ingredients. Serves 4. Step 1. Using strips of bacon to cook with the meat will make it juicier. Bake the roast with the brine and vegetables and simmer until it's well done and tender. Step 2. Blend the vegetables and the brine from the meat until they're well grated. Step 3. Add the sour cream mixed with flour and all other ingredients. Cook for 20 minutes. Step 4. Slice the meat and serve it with the sauce and bread dumplings. For decoration, put whipped cream on the top of the meat with a few cranberries. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.